So we need to think of ways how we can win this election, alright? So anybody have any idea? Me, sir. Go ahead. Sir, we can maybe tell the people we're gonna make an airport in Negril. We are doing new airport. So we can get more tourists in the country, sir. More green cards, sir. Okay, now you're talking. Now you're talking. Now you're talking, man. Anybody else? Anybody else? Me, sir. Alright, Marcus, go ahead. We can raise the minimum wage, sir. Raise it to about 25,000 a week. What? You mad? Don't forget the money there from. You don't think we are scam? If people don't need so much money. What they need so much money for? Eh? Sir, the price of patty and cocoa bread is almost $500, sir. You see me and patty? Eh? You see me and patty? But the people eat patty, sir. You tell me that for? Yo, tap it talking. Sir, we have to think about the people, sir. Oh God, sir. Watch out now, my wife have to get take care of me. Have her birthday if you think about. My birthday if you think about. With anniversary. Christmas and Valentine's Day, and my wife no need mackerel and rice to celebrate them day. I feel got some fancy restaurant for them day. So no come to me about them foolish this day. But sir, who ask? You're fired. Come on. A joke, sir, a joke. Sicky, hold him there, Sicky. Oh God, sir, a little joke, sir. Yo, boy, leg off of me. Yo, leg off of me, bad man. Yo, leg off of me, bad man. So sir, what you think we need, sir? You know what we need? What we need, sir? We need some dub plates for the election. Some dub plates. Fast. We need some dub plates. No. Where the assistant there? You don't know, sir. Find her no man. You're looking at my face, sir. You love, man? Alright, sir. Come in, sir. Come in. Miss Green. And then what you do? So I can't name what you want, sir. The Prime Minister want to talk to you. Alright, may I come? Yes, Mr. Andrew, sir. So as you know, election time, and we need some dub plates to get more vote from the people then. Sir, we have some dub plates lined up in us, sir. So who get Miss Green? Who get? Tell me, who get? So, Alkaline. Cartel. Massacre. So who get them? Better make you hear it, sir. Ow! Hey! Okay, alright. Let me say Alright, let me say tip, vote for JLP. Tip. Ow! Tip. Alright, me say tip, vote for JLP. Tip. Ow! Alright, tip. Vote for JLP. Tip. What I want to say? Black Yav. How that? He who boss, sir. How name, sir? One top artist in Jamaica right now, sir. Him around the place right now. Oh, sir, that can't play my parade, you know. If that play, everybody have vote for PNP. I saw it thing set right now. Give me something, come. Give me something fresh, come.
Labor rights. Make me see the shower finger if you know you didn't have to be a labor right. Vote for Labour Party. It's a pretty Labour Party. May I vote for Labour Party. May I a party for a brighter future. Me choose Jamaica. Vote for Labour Party. We're doing good for you. Ringing in the showers of blessing we are called up.
Jesus Christ, we lose. Yo, Black Yav. How can I sing them here? These are the songs he receives, Mr. Minister. You want me fire you? No. Let me ask you again, you want me fire you? No. Then how can I sing them here? Sir, are these songs alone we did have available, sir? Them songs can't win election, you mad? Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Oh my God. I'll make some calls. Hold on. Hello, Mr. Cartel?
Yeah.
Yes, man, Mr. Adija. So as you know, we have the election currently going on, and we would like some dub plates for the party.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, that is it, man. Come by the office later on so we can talk business, okay?
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man. One down my nose.
I'm out. So yes, guys, got to laugh forward. So set the place straight so everybody can feel comfortable. Please and thank you. word boss. Let 3 word boss, no man. I want 2, no man. Yeah, yeah. Yes, man, Mr. Cartel. Nice to meet you, man. Up. So, yes, man, have a seat, man. Have a seat. So, yo, where man seat there? Sir, I want seat in here, sir. What you mean, say 1 seat in here? Sir, you're a seat alone in here, sir. Of 1 seat for the man, no, man? Okay, sir. See you chair here, sir. How are this? Sir, cheers, sir. Look, Panny. I share that. What's the one about come? Go for and go see carry come. Sir, here, sir. Alright, good. Have a seat, Mr. Cartel. Let's start business. Yes, so as I said before on the call, we need some dub plates for the upcoming election so we can up our odds of winning. Yes, man. Yes, so can you give us like a dub plate preview? Fever. Why you? Wine for me, baby. Turn and twist. When I vote for JLP, everything Chris. JLP vote make PNP peace, me say. Fever. Why you? Poo. Shut that road. One word. Yes, man, let's start business. So how much will they charge for a dub plate? 10,000. That sound good, man. That not sound bad. US. Hmm? 10,000 what? 10,000 US. Sir, we can't afford that, you know, sir. Well, up with the money or go down in our wallet. So you think, say. Well, me I go down in our wallet because I can't afford that. Sorry, hush. But I will check it either, boss, because that's too much. Waste man time. Yeah. 10,000 US? What? You must be mad.